Expanse of blue is not just a beautiful sight, it's a lifeline for our planet. Covering a staggering 71% of Earth's surface, it sustains countless species and regulates our climate. Its depths hold secrets of biodiversity that we've yet to fully explore. However, as pollution and climate change threaten this vital resource, understanding its significance becomes imperative. Protecting the ocean is essential for our survival, ensuring a thriving planet for generations to come. Importance of the ocean. 1. Climate regulation. The ocean acts as the Earth's thermostat, absorbing and redistributing heat through currents. Ocean currents, like the Gulf Stream, move warm water from the equator to higher latitudes, influencing weather patterns and keeping temperatures stable. It absorbs about 30% of the carbon dioxide, CO2, produced by human activities, mitigating the impacts of climate change. Phytoplankton in the ocean plays a critical role in the carbon cycle, capturing CO2 during photosynthesis. Oxygen production. The ocean produces over 50% of the oxygen we breathe. Phytoplankton, microscopic marine organisms, are responsible for this oxygen production, making them a cornerstone of life on Earth. 3. Biodiversity. The ocean is home to millions of species, ranging from tiny plankton to the largest mammals like whales. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, support about 25% of marine life. Deep-sea ecosystems, which are still largely unexplored, hold unique species adapted to extreme environments. 4. Global economy. The ocean is vital to the global economy. Fisheries and aquaculture provide employment and food for millions of people, contributing significantly to economies, especially in coastal regions. Maritime trade routes handle approximately 90% of global trade, making the ocean a crucial artery of international commerce. 5. Cultural and recreational significance. The ocean has deep cultural and spiritual importance for many communities worldwide. It is a source of inspiration, recreation, and tourism, offering activities like snorkeling, diving, and surfing. Benefits of the ocean. 1. Food security. The ocean provides a significant portion of the global population's protein intake through fish and seafood. Small-scale fisheries are essential for the livelihoods of millions, especially in developing nations. 2. Medicinal resources. Marine organisms are a rich source of compounds used in medicine. For instance, sponges and corals have been used in cancer and antibiotic treatments. Bioprospecting in the ocean continues to reveal potential for new drug discoveries. Full connectivity. Oceans connect continents, facilitating international trade and cultural exchange. 3. Ecological services. The ocean regulates the Earth's water cycle, driving precipitation, evaporation, and weather patterns. 4. Scientific exploration. Exploring the ocean has led to groundbreaking discoveries in biology, geology, and climate science, deepening our understanding of Earth's history and processes. Disadvantages and challenges of the ocean. 1. Overfishing. Unsustainable fishing practices have led to the depletion of many fish populations, disrupting ecosystems and threatening food security. 2. Pollution. Plastic pollution, oil spills, and chemical runoff have severely impacted marine ecosystems. Microplastics have infiltrated the food chain, posing risks to both marine life and humans. 3. Climate change impacts. The ocean is warming due to climate change, leading to coral bleaching, rising sea levels, and the disruption of marine habitats. Ocean acidification, caused by the absorption of CO2, weakens coral reefs and shellfish populations. 4. Loss of biodiversity. Habitat destruction, overfishing, and climate change are causing the loss of marine species at an alarming rate. 5. Natural hazards. Oceans are the birthplace of destructive natural events like tropical cyclones, tsunamis, and storm surges. These events often result in loss of life and property. Tropical cyclones and the ocean. Tropical cyclones, also known as hurricanes or typhoons depending on their location, are powerful storms that form over warm ocean waters. They are fueled by the heat and moisture from the ocean and are characterized by strong winds, heavy rainfall, and storm surges. 1. Formation. Tropical cyclones develop in regions where ocean surface temperatures exceed 26 degrees, 79 degrees. The warm water heats the air above it, causing it to rise and create a low-pressure system. As the warm air rises, it cools and condenses, releasing latent heat and driving further convection. The Coriolis effect causes the system to spin, forming the characteristic cyclone structure. 2. Impacts. Tropical cyclones can lead to massive destruction, including flooding, wind damage, and loss of life. Coastal areas are particularly vulnerable to storm surges, which are abnormal rises in sea level caused by the storm's winds. However, cyclones also play a role in redistributing heat and moisture across the planet, influencing global weather patterns. 3. Mitigation. Coastal defenses, early warning systems, and disaster preparedness plans are essential to minimize the impacts of tropical cyclones. Mangroves and coral reefs can act as natural barriers, reducing the intensity of storm surge.